we have been able to establish that the first three rows were found to contain sanitary towels. That is 146 boxes, each containing 480 pieces. Then the other content, which is a huge consignment, consists of supermatch cigarettes marked for export and made in Uganda. Each packet has 500 of 20 pieces. So in total, one package has 1,000 sticks, 10,000 sticks. Surprisingly, this consignment has revenue stamps for Uganda. And remember, they were done in Thigara. So how Ugandan stamp ended up in Thigara is a matter that also will require a lot of investigations.